cutest video ever. Hashtag righteous, hashtag holla, hashtag panda single, hashtag ice bear for president. It's public, alright? Step back, let it breathe, guys. I gotta refresh! Nothing. Oh, that's cool, that's cool. I mean, it's only been a minute, right? Yeah, you guys can go. I'm just gonna hang here and wait till we get more hits. What's up, Chris? Comfort me. No. Not even people tripping can heal my wounds. Whoa, isn't that the koala from that video? Hold on, what? A meme-con? Meme? A meme-con. Internet celebs. Meme tryouts judged by Nom Nom himself? We're going!
Time to keep me moving with some energy. When I talk about it, talk about it, talk about it, talk about it. Talk about it, talk about it, talk about it, moving. Gotta move on. Gotta move on.
Hi, little guy. What's your name?
Crispy?
The new M&M's?
Oh, man.
Won't you take me to
Chocolate.
Not allowed to eat and swim. Not for a half hour. Let go!
Won't you take me to Funky Town? 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 Won't you take me to Funky Town?
See, isn't this fun? Totally. Wanna play water tag next? Why don't you play by yourselves? It's not really a two-person game. You're so good at having fun, I'm sure you'll figure it out. But I'd rather do things together because friendship! Then come and lay down with us. That's how we relax! But we relax by doing stuff. Your way is so boring! Boring is relaxing! Fun is relaxing! Why are we yelling? That doesn't seem relaxing! Huh? A little lemon invention I've been working on. The Bubble Pod 4500. Soundproof personal space bubbles. I love that my friends like to do things as a group, but not every berry enjoys the same stuff. Sometimes it takes the berry who likes doing her own thing to remind her friends that you don't always have to do everything together. What a relaxing day.
Actually, we have a surprise for you, Grizz. Really? Rad! Oh, wait. I can't move. Okay, open. It's just our video. Look closer.